being admitted to this profession. I, the graduate of Shifa Tamir Millet University, do solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity with sympathy and loving care, but without consideration of religion, caste, color, creed, race, gender, political affiliation, social standing, or ethnicity. To use my knowledge for the benefit of mankind and show utmost respect to the health, welfare, and safety of human life. To practice my profession with conscience, honor, and dignity, and keep it my first consideration. To protect human life in all stages and under all circumstances. To respect the confidentiality of any information concerning my profession. To give due respect to my teachers, colleagues, and fellow workers, and to maintain the honor and noble traditions of this profession. To strive in the pursuit of knowledge and remain cognizant of new developments in my chosen field. I take this oath solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. O Allah, grant me the strength to adhere to this oath.